Okay guys, I got a 2010 Range Rover Sport. It's got a check engine light. It's misfiring a little bit. I'm going to show you how to fix that issue. And we're just going to wait for it to scan first. So this is the code for the engine, P0171 P0174, system 2 lean, bank 1 and 2. Okay, so this is the engine. The first thing we're gonna check on this for those two codes are these PCV valves. This is usually the culprit. So to remove those top pieces, you just wanna poke open those little tabs that are holding those in place. I believe there are 5 or 6 of them. And once you do that, you can just pop that cover, black cover off. And the kit that I'm linking does come with replacement covers, so feel free to break them in order to get them off. Oh yeah. So it's cracked on the top part. So the kit I bought comes with those 2 springs, the cap, and then that orangish red piece. And now we're just going to put them back on. Okay, so I replaced that and turned it on, and it does work a lot better. Still have to delete the check engine light, but I think that did fix it. So I'm gonna remove the check engine light and then drive for a bit and see if that fixes it. But so far, it looks like that was the culprit, and it cost me about 20 bucks. Again, I linked the part in the description and in the comments section. 2-day shipping, so I'd recommend getting that. Okay, so I just deleted the codes. Let's check if they came back. No codes present, so that did seem to fix the issue, and it took a total of about 10 minutes to do and about 20 to 25 bucks. So great way to do it. Hopefully that's what yours is. If not, it could be a connection issue. It could be a hole in one of the catalytic converters. Just you probably have to do a smoke test to see what the issue is. So good luck and thanks for watching.